Guide to color coding in food industry. Advantages of color coding. Minimize the risk of your products becoming contaminated with microorganisms, allergens, or foreign bodies by separating steps, sections, and areas in the food production process. Reduce the risk and cost of product rejection and recall. Speed up your processes by ensuring equipment is easy to locate and kept in the right place. A color coding system is easy to understand and learn, irrespective of language skills, and help to avoid misunderstandings. Tips and tricks on how to implement color coding effectively. Use contrasting colors. Use colorblind-friendly combinations. Avoid complicated color combinations. Use signs to make it clear. Color match your tools and storage areas. Color coding by use. Choose one color for the cleaning equipment and food handling tools that come into contact with food, and a different color for equipment and tools that do not. Also, select one particular color for cleaning drains. There are no set rules or regulations about which color to use where in a food facility. For increased food safety, we recommend choosing a color that contrasts clearly with the food you produce. Color coding by process. This is especially important in food manufacturing and processing plants where these steps need to be kept separate to prevent cross-contamination. For example, meat processing facilities and kitchens often color code to distinguish raw meat from meat that is cooked, or semi-processed or raw foods from more finished product. Color coding for better food safety. In the food production and processing industry, tightly controlled systems and procedures are essential to comply with regulations and to ensure food safety. A color coding system for your work areas, tools, and equipment is a simple way to prevent cross-contamination and ensures you are better prepared to meet GFSI-approved food safety standards. To learn more, download the app Food Safety Standard. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube.